My rheem tankless water heater RTG64 DVN keeps blowing fuses. We had a power outage and when it came back on, circuit breaker was in off position. When breaker was reset, the rheem unit would not come on. Noticed the fuses were blown, replaced white fuse and black fuse, 250 volt 3 amp fast blow. Blew out fuses again. No power to unit or remote. How long do I wait for an answer? It's been almost 24 hours.
Hello and thank you for using the service. I will assist you today with your question to the best of my ability. Do not rate service until completed. Good morning. I am sorry that you had to wait for an answer. I just found the question posted and have been on for some time. Regardless, prior to the power outage, was there any lightning strikes nearby? I am unsure if you posted a response. The system shows a blank comment and that you are still typing. Can you please post a response again?
I'm not sure if there was any because it happened in the night when we were sleeping. Sorry about not getting right back as I'm at work and new at this.
Don't be sorry, you're doing fine. There is obviously a short in the system, a good possibility that the control board has fried. At this point I recommend a service contractor, either plumber or gas or both if possible, to test the unit and find the short so you can get back up and running.
Okay, thank you so much for your help. This is not even 2 months old.
Ah, okay, then it's warranted. That's good news. Good luck and have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.